Good evening.
You are not visible. Turn on, turn off camera.
Can you see me right now?
No, I cannot see you. Yeah. Now, yeah, I can see you properly.
Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing so well. What about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
And what about your day? What was the best part of your day?
Yeah, it's fantastic going on all the day. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what
Hmm.
about your dinner? Is it done?
Mhm.
What about your dinner? Is it done?
No, I have not eaten yet.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Even
first I
even
Mhm.
I didn't make even I didn't make anything.
Okay, okay. So after this you will prepare your dinner. Is it?
Yeah. After
Sure.
talking to you, after that I will make.
Okay. Okay. So I want to know something about you. Could you please share about you?
Okay. Yeah. Of course. My name is Pooja Sahu. I am connecting with you from Delhi, and yeah, and talking to my qualifications. So I have done 10th past CBSE board from Delhi, and as well as I have done computer courses, some basic knowledge. Yeah, apart from that, I am learning this language and talking to my hobbies. So dancing, listening music, and watching podcasts and conversation videos. Yeah, I am married. That's it all about me.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah. So
Now,
one more thing I
mhm.
want to know, how many members are there in your family?
Okay. Yeah, there is a 10 members in my family. Okay, and we have separated. Okay. Yeah.
Mm. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
So let me tell you about myself as well. So my name is Sakshi Chauhan and I'm from Gwalior MP. I have completed my master's and now I'm a PhD scholar. And apart from that, I'm running my YouTube channel and also improving my communication and my English as well. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I'm interested in reading and writing poetries and stories. That's
Okay.
all about me.
Oh, nice. Introduce yourself. Okay, and first of all, I want to ask one thing. And how long have you been learning this language? Because I think you send a group something pictures. 1,000 subscribed. You have.
My channel, I think on my channel, I might have shared these kind of things.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, you were
Tell.
asking when did I learn? How long I have been in this journey, right? So I would say 2 years, I think,
2 years.
and then more than 1.5 years back, I started, and I think 2 years I had completed. Probably it's rough idea I have. So I am just
Okay.
focusing on this.
Okay. Where did you learn this language?
Where where did I learn, right?
Yeah.
Of course, learned online from videos by watching conversations and the when I started, so I started watching conversations and just completed all these tasks, listening, reading, writing, speaking, and after that I'm just working continuously.
Okay. It means that you didn't take any institute.
No, I
Yeah.
have not.
Any applications?
Yes, I have joined some applications. One is Ace Fluency, and yeah, Ace Fluency mainly I have used, and other other videos, sorry, other applications also have used, But I just tried this, that how is it working, how is it working, just for trial. I downloaded them, I used it, and then I find it, though no, it's not useful for me, then I just deleted. But Ace Fluency is the one and only application that I continued with that. I think 1 years I 1 year I continued with that application.
Okay, that's great.
Okay,
Okay.
so right,
Mm-hmm.
you're from Delhi, right?
Pardon. I don't hear. Didn't hear.
You're from Delhi, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am from Delhi.
So please tell me one thing that you like most in Delhi. One thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have any topic, so yeah, uh, describe describe to Delhi, because I live at home. I didn't. I have not visit anywhere because my husband doesn't like taking visit anywhere. So that is why. And yeah, I because my in-laws home in Delhi. So yeah, I live in Delhi. Okay, and you okay? You are okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Gwalior.
Gwalior.
Gwalior. Yes. Have you heard or visited ever?
Yeah, I have heard this place, but I didn't visit. Okay. Yeah, by the way, I belong to originally Bihar.
Okay. Originally, you are from Bihar. You are
Mm,
you are married in Delhi, right?
yeah, that's
Okay. Okay.
true.
Because you are a homesick person, or maybe you might have some responsibility that you are not getting too much time to go outside. But yeah, I have also visited
Don't say like this. Everyone wants to go outside and enjoying, but my husband don't take anywhere, so I cannot go alone. That's a
Okay.
simple reason.
No problem. Yeah. So I
Yeah, that is why I explore
hmm,
anything.
but I find one thing. It's
Mm-hmm.
calling. Okay. I find the very worst thing, actually, Delhi is a good city. Very amazing, I know, no doubt. But one
Yeah,
thing
you.
that I like,
Mm,
it's full of rush and the traffic, pollution, really bothering.
that's true. Yeah, traffic. Yeah, it's a very traffic here. But yeah, sometimes I don't feel like go hanging out. Yeah, I
Hmm.
feel because where where I live. So yeah, scenic farm. Delhi attach where I live. So I go to walking for there. So it's a nice place, and yes, and a fresh air you can take. Okay, so it's nothing like that. So it's a like a traffic. Only traffic is a anywhere you can go outside. So anywhere you can you meet traffic. Yeah,
Hmm.
pollution, because everyone has 2 3 bike, yeah, cars. So it's normally. Okay.
Right, right. Yes, this is really troublesome when you go to Delhi on road, when I compare, when I visited there, I think very first time, I found it very difficult to, walk on roads and the cross roads,
Yeah,
because if I
it's
talk,
that
it is
time.
a quite smaller than Delhi. And if I talk about roads also, and population also, everything, if when it comes to comparing, so I can find it lesser than, lesser from Delhi. So it was very difficult from me. But now I visited multiple times. So now it's okay. But still, it's really irritating when you go on the road and there are a lot of traffic. So
Yeah, that's true. But I want to say one thing. Different place people live Delhi. uh, because job related you can say. Okay, so I can see my village name is like a Patna ya Bihar. Okay, and we are there, even there is a cool and fresh air, and not too don't they don't too much traffic over there. Okay, I can see. So first of all, I can say one thing. And, lots of people live Delhi, so that's the reason you can say traffic and pollution and populations, and yeah, that is why. Could be.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Okay.
Are you agree?
I do. I do agree.
Okay.
Okay, I want to know one more thing. It's about your English. So, how long you have been connecting with people, or how many conversations you have done till now?
Okay. Yeah, I have taken 10 session yet.
Ten-
Yeah,
And how,
speaking practice, I
okay,
can
how
say.
was your experience?
Yeah, it was nice experience, because because speaking practice and grammatic rules is very different. Sometimes everyone knows grammar rules, but it comes to speaking English language, so everyone get stuck, because they don't have habitual part.
Hmm.
Okay, so that hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. So that is why, and yeah, it was a nice experience for me, and this is a best platform I can see. And yeah, gradually you can speak every day, so you will definitely increase yourself. You will see.
Right.
Okay, and yeah, I can say I have taken 10 session. Okay, that time, and when I first conversation others, so sometimes I get shy and nervousness, and how to speak, and what will ask me, and what will I reply them. Sometimes I feel, and two, three, and four, five. After that, yeah, uh, uh, I feel get rid uh, hesitations. I can
Mm-hmm.
say, yeah, I am
Okay.
able to get rid fearless, scary, and yeah, I feel confidence, because yeah, I that times I get too much scared. You can I Yeah.
Okay. Right now, when it comes to speaking, like right now you are speaking, so what is happening in your mind? Are you struggling to find out proper word, or are you struggling in framing sentences? What exactly is happening?
Okay, I will tell you. Like I am starting speaking practice. So nowadays I have to find new words. Like first of all, I make sentence in my mind. After that, come out my from my mind, no, from my mouth. Okay, so sometimes, yeah, it's a difficult when you ask me and lots of question. So that times, how to explain thought front of you, no. And yeah, and little bit, yeah, I make sentence, and yeah, I am thinking, so how to speak front of you. Yeah, that time I don't I don't have any words that time. Yeah, I know very well, but that time I everything forgot. I get forgot.
So is it happening only with me, or if every time whenever you want to connect with anyone, every time do you face this problem?
Yeah, every time face this problem because this is a, beginner, and I'm beginner right now. Okay. And you know, present perfect and past tense and mixer, when we are talking each other. So every grammatic rules you have to use.
Right, exactly.
Okay. So sometimes you don't get to you sometimes you don't come to in your mind. So how to speak front of you, and what is exactly verb and models, you make sentence, मतलब कि हमारा वर्ड जो है किस तरह से बनेगा जो हम बोल पाए. So that time I will not able to speaking. But yeah, it's a beginner and I'm learning this language. And yeah, and initially you have to hard work. And yeah, it will take time. Anything you have to do something, and you have to learn something, so you will have to take time. Exactly, I can't say exactly 1 years or 2 years, not. And everybody has a mind, and every one mind is a different absorbing part, I can say. So yeah.
Okay, I completely understood what are you trying to say when it comes to answering any question and when it comes to reply. So you get confused, and the first thing that you are doing, that you are translating. So everyone is doing, no problem. And in beginner stage, when we are in our rudimentary level, so it happens. So no problem, it will take time, but do not try to, don't try, just try to say at the same time. Do not try to translate what I am trying to say.
Yeah, you're right. But without translate, I cannot speak front of you. I cannot talk with you. Okay.
No
This
problem.
yeah, I am beginner, so yeah, that time I feel hesitations. And yeah, and grammatic rules is a different, and speaking part according to my is a different. And I have started. So yeah, and gradually I will definitely speak fluently.
You just started recently and you have done only 10 conversation, no problem. Next 10, 20 conversation, you will be too much good in this thing. So don't worry. I just keep
Yeah.
speaking.
Hmm.
Like that you are, and only 10 conversation you have done and you are speaking so well.
Thank you for that compliment. Yeah.
Okay. It was nice talking to you. And do you want to say anything?
Yeah, I don't have any question for you. But yeah, okay, I want to ask one thing. And when you start English journey, the how to start speaking part, how did you start speaking part?
Just react. Someone is calling me. Okay. Someone is calling me. That's why.
Okay, it's
That's
okay.
the okay. I have to go outside. Extremely sorry for this. You
It's
must have.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wrap up this session.
Yes, we have to wrap up.
Okay, we will connect another time. Okay, another day. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.